and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about simple past and present perfect tense. If you think these two sentences on your screen have similar meaning and they are grammatically correct, then this video is exactly for you. I'm going to tell the difference between simple past and present perfect tense. So, for example, I have done my work right now. This is regarding past. I've done. I have finished, but this information is related to present and meaningful in the present time, so it falls in present perfect tense. Whenever we use present perfect tense, we use has or have as a helping verb and plus third verb form. If we talk about simple past tense, for example, I did my work in the morning. This is regarding past also, but this work was related to past, and it doesn't have any relevancy in present time. So in simple words, we say that any work that started in the past, but it has still any importance, any meaning, and any purpose in the present time, that time we use present as or have plus third verb form. So if we think that any information that was regarding past and any action that happened in past and that is not meaningful right now and not any relevancy right now, that falls under simple past tense. That time we use second verb form. For example, if someone wants to give me the same work that I have already done, then I will say I have already done my work. It means it is present. It means it is related to present time and you have done that in the past. If you say I wrote a letter in the morning, it means you are clearly talking about past time, and for present time it may not have any relevancy or any meaning or purpose. There is a simple contrast and comparison between two tenses.